guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you opened this video today because today I'm gonna unbox and review this beauty which is inside this nice white bag. And the bag, as you understood, is Michael Kors, and probably you already get it from thumbnail, right? Anyway, this is not the first Michael Kors bag I'm reviewing. If you would like to see my previous Michael Kors bag I unboxed together with you, you can check the link. I will leave it down below and probably put a card here. Anyway, the point is that we already have certain amount of experience in unboxing bags and unboxing Michael Kors bag, so we will know how to judge, right? So enough of talking, let's start. This white bag, to keep the main purse, is always given together with your order, and it's actually quite nice, so you can store your beauty inside. And yeah, this is the bag. Ta-da! Doesn't it look like a piece of chocolate bar? I am really in love with the color. I think it's very nice, very rich looking brown color, and honestly it fits almost any outfit. I try wearing it already and it looks really good with lots of different colors, and especially in autumn this bag is like must have. As you see, this bag has this nice golden strap, and the bendings is amazing. Like Michael Kors bendings, honestly always good. And you can wear it this way or this way, which is my personal favorite way to wear the bag because it's perfect, not too long, not too short, and what else you need, right? So yeah, you can see the color, you can see the material. It's a leather. I am not pretty sure if it's real leather. I think it is because from the smell we can understand. And yeah, in the back we have this pocket which can fit actually a lot of stuff. I normally put my phone there. I have iPhone 11 Pro just to understand the size, and it fits perfect and nothing is like, you know, coming out or something. No. And there is a magnet here, like this is the interesting part of the bag. The way to open it, you need to drag it down and back opens. Took me a while to understand because it's a bit unusual way and not that common, I would say. And again, materials here, this nice gold is very good. Anyway, inside we have the division. It's like two pockets. One is a bit bigger, one is a bit smaller, and in the middle we have one pocket with zipper, and in the back there is another pocket with zipper. Overall, this bag won't fit that much stuff. Actually, what I'm talking, let's try. I will bring some stuff and let's see how much actually will fit inside the purse, right? Okay, I brought some items which we will try to fit inside the bag to understand what is the capacity of the bag, how much it can actually fit. Let's start from sunglasses case, iPhone, notebook, bar, earbuds, mask, and let's try to fit this big Chanel perfume. Bag is quite heavy now, you see. All of this fits. So you see bag become a bit fat. And honestly, it's not the lightest bag because of the chain. Bag is quite heavy, and now with all what I put inside, you saw my perfume is not full, it's less than a quarter left. Bag become quite heavy, and I think this may hurt your shoulder a little, the chains, but well, I think the appearance may be worth it. So the conclusion is, for the 400 euros, more or less, maybe 380, we get bag from real leather, which is not the highest quality, but in amazing color. It's Michael Kors. And would I recommend to buy or not this bag? I don't know, actually, maybe not, because Michael Kors has better bags. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for staying till the end of this video, for reviewing this bag with me. I hope it was useful for you, and I hope you will stay in my channel, watch more videos, put like and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. Have a great shopping.